Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a super important topic for anyone considering or currently following a plant-based diet. Nutrition, especially we are going to discuss key nutrition you need to pay attention to like protein, vitamin B12, iron and omega-3 fatty acids. Whether you are a beginner or looking to optimize your plant-based journey, this video for you. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Let's talk about proteins. A common misconception is that you cannot get enough protein from plant sources, but that's simply not true. Plant-based protein can come from a variety of foods. Here are some excellent sources. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas and black beans. Nuts and seeds such as almond, chia seed and pumpkin seeds. To ensure you are getting all essential amino acids, try to eat a variety of these protein sources throughout the week. Don't stress about perfection, just aim for balance. Let's chat about vitamin B12. This vitamin is crucial for nerve function and the production of red blood cells, but it's primarily found in animal products. So how do plant-based eaters get enough B12? Here are your options. Fortified foods: look for plant-based milks, breakfasts, cereals and nutritional yeast that are fortified with B12. Supplements: you can also consider taking a B12 supplement. Just make sure to consult with your healthcare provider for the right dosage. Testing your B12 levels regularly is a good idea. Staying proactive will ensure you maintain your energy and health. Now let's move on to iron. Iron is essential for making hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in your blood. Plant-based eaters need a bit more iron, but you can still meet your needs. Great plant sources of iron includes beans and lentils, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, seeds especially pumpkin and sesame seeds, whole grains. To enhance iron absorption, pair these iron-rich foods with vitamin C source like citrus fruits, bell peppers or strawberries. This combination can help your body absorb iron more efficiently. Let's talk about omega-3 fatty acid, known for their heart and brain health benefits. While most people think of fish as the primary source, there are several fantastic plant-based alternatives. Here are some great plant sources of omega-3. Number 1. Chia seed. Just a couple of tablespoons can give you a good dose. Number 2. Flax seeds. Ground flax seeds are versatile and can be added to smoothies, baked good or oatmeal. Number 3. Walnuts. Toss them in your salads or snacks for a crunch and nutrition boost. Number 4. Algal oil. This is derived from algae and is the only plant-based source of DHA and EPA, the types of omega-3 found in fish. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you maintain good omega-3 level. So viewers, there you have it. While transitioning to be plant-based diet, it's vital to focus on these key nutrients: protein, vitamin B12, iron and omega-3 fatty acids. Remember, variety is key. Exploring different food not only keeps things interesting, but also helps you ensure a well-rounded intake of nutrients. If you are serious about making the transition or just curious, consider speaking with a registered dietitian who can help you create a balanced meal plan tolerated to your need. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and share it with your own friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on your nutrition tips and tricks. Thank you.